jab, up all please. Go pull back, Earl. Can we go pull back? Someone holds the boom. You want to jump on that? Cheers. Yeah. Pull back. I got. Is this a dead run? Yeah, we can be dead run. Pole needs to go up on the mast. Okay. Yeah. Not too high. We're good. Let's have a look. It's going to be a jibe then a drop. Yeah, so it'll be jibe and drop. She's off. She's off. Pull back a little. Back it down up. I'll do it. Do you want to be sending this deep? Yeah. Come back to the side. That's right, it has to snub the pole up over, please, go. Just snub the pole up. That's it. And you can just close the jib, push it away. Good pressure there. Good. Are you set for a dive when it comes through? So we'll do a jibe. It'll be a jibe, and then we'll be coming into it, then we'll do a little drop. Switch down, hold on, back up. Jibe, jib, little drop. Jibe, jib, little drop. Speak to them in like the top. What's the top? Yeah, right. Load up for a jibe, please. Oh, can you sort out last week, Paul? Sort out for you. We're going to be hard enough anyway, so you'll have a minute. Right, please, jibe. Come on. Come on. Come with the jib. Ready? Yeah. Jibing in 3. Are you ready? Jibing now. Heads. Combination days off. Now we're going through the machine. Yeah, we're fine. Go on, do you want to jump on the boom again? Cheers. Right, pointing up now. We don't need to tie it again, do we? No. Good ball? Yep. We can just get it away anyway, soon fit. Is the windward drop going to be easy for you or leeward?
You can't put in this wind. So we do a jib up now?
We could do. Yeah.
And buy ourselves a bit of time.
Yeah. No more spinning now, is there? No, this is
when we drop up into the middle of the pole early.
Right, yeah, hold on, because we'll have to settle for it. Okay. Can you find that one? Right, I stuck this one. Right, do you want to go hatch open? I'm happy to hold this all the way to the mark. Will this trip, do you reckon? Hang on. pole now. Jab up or down, please. Yeah, make sure the jib sheet.
Pull off.
Up all off. Up all off. Yeah, go on. And then, yeah, make sure the jib sheet to pull back. Go on, I've got that jib. Right, are you ready to drop? No. Are you ready? We're not dropping yet.
I need a sheet.
Right, use the glue. Use the glue. I'll jump the sheet. Right, Gav, let your glue on. Right, ready to drop? Go drop. Someone on the halyard? Yeah. Come on. Just watch you around the front of the boat. Get out of the water. Come on. Clear, Joe. Can't point. Hang on, Mark. Hands up. Going on the rail. Right, well done, guys.